Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Assuming the Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago, let's calculate the relative abundances of uranium-238 and uranium-235 given their respective half-lives. So we know that K is equal to ln 2 over T1 half, and therefore ln K or ln N over NO is equal to minus KT is equal to minus 0.693 T over T1 half. We'll use this formula here. So for uranium-238, ln N over N naught is equal to minus 0.693, 4.5 times 10 to the 9th years over 4.5 times 10 to the 9th years. And this works out to minus 0.693 N over N naught is equal to e to the minus 0.693, which is equal to 0.50. For uranium-235, ln N over N naught is equal to minus 0.693, 4.5 times 10 to the 9th years over 7.1 times 10 to the 8th years. This is equal to minus 4.39. N over N naught is equal to e to the minus 4.39, which will be equal to 0.012. If we have a current sample of 10,000 uranium nuclei, 9,928 would be uranium-238, and 72 would be uranium-235. Let's calculate the initial number of nuclei that must have been present .5 times 10 to the 9th years ago to produce these 10,000 uranium nuclei. So for uranium-238, N over N naught is equal to 0.50. N naught is equal to N over 0.50, which is equal to 9,928 nuclei over 0.50, which works out to 2.0 times 10 to the 4th nuclei, and that would be for uranium-238. And for uranium-235, N over N naught is equal to 0.012. N naught is equal to N 0.012. This would be 72 nuclei over 0.012. This works out to 6.0 times 10 to the 3 nuclei for uranium-235. So 4.5 times 10 to the 9 billion years ago, the 10,000 uranium nuclei sample was composed of 2.0 times 10 to the 4th uranium-238 nuclei and 6.0 times 10 to the 3 uranium-235 nuclei. So let's determine our percent composition. So our percent of uranium-238 would be equal to 2.0 times 10 to the 4 uranium-238 nuclei over 2.0 times 10 to the 4 uranium-238 nuclei plus 6.0 times 10 to the 3 uranium-235 nuclei times 100%. And this would work out to 77%. So the percent composition of uranium-238 is equal to 77%. And by difference, the percent composition of uranium-235 would be 100% minus the 77%. This would work out to 23%. So there would be our percent composition of uranium-238 and uranium-235 when the Earth was first formed back 4.5 billion years ago.